Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Travel With Us. For those who have missed our previous video, we are on our second day of our Qatar trip. We are currently at Katara Cultural Village. Considering its glossy and luxe exterior, village may not be the proper description for this cultural hub located in the heart of urban Doha. The buildings and facilities at Katara are well planned to reflect the country's cultural and architectural heritage. It houses many arts and cultural associations, as well as assortment of galleries, a theater, gardens, two masjids, a beach area, and the grand amphitheater that showcases classic Greek with Islamic architecture. While the summers in Doha are pretty hot, you can still enjoy the outdoor area at 21 High Street all year long, thanks to its air conditioning system. Here you'll find gorgeous architectures, top-notch eateries. When in Katara, you cannot miss the pigeon towers. 3 are located near Katara Masjid and the others near Tasty Street. Pigeons and other birds can rest within the holes of the towers, which can house up to 14,000 birds. The 1.5-kilometer Katara beach is perfect for relaxing and to take part in one of the many beach activities like parasailing and knee boarding. The first dedicated children's mall is new and a unique crescent-shaped building and is an exceptional children's play museum. At 3 a.m. in our last day of Qatar, we are waiting for our sunrise desert safari at Inlandsea, which is located 85 kilometers away from Doha. Qatar is a haven for natural and man-made beauty, but in order to really experience it, you need to get off your feet and enjoy the sand dunes and desert landscape of the inland sea. Head out on a 4-wheel drive vehicle for dune bashing. When you get the taste of the thrilling ride atop a high-rise sand dunes, buckle your seatbelt and sit back to enjoy panoramic desert views as you conquer the dunes, arriving at the Khor Al Adid Inland Sea between Saudi Arabia and Qatar. If you are not feeling adventurous enough, then you just take a leisurely stroll around Inland Sea and feel how Qatar's vastness soothes your senses. You can experience overnight desert camping, sandboarding, camel ride, quad biking, swim in Inland Sea, and visit Saudi Arabia's viewpoint.
Let's start.
Only
Only
one person.
Go, Daddy! Why is he staying there? Go.
Yeah.
With the camera?
Yeah. I will hold here this one. Yeah, okay. Okay. Now go.
Okay.
Super Adi!
We look for package tour with add-ons for quad biking, sandboarding, hotel pickup and drop-off. These are included in the package. It's time for our checkout and we are heading towards Qatar's must-visit place, Souq Waqif. Discover the hidden gems of the Souq Waqif through a unique cultural shopping experience. Take part of a journey through this ancient marketplace, masterfully redeveloped to maintain its original 19th century look. Explore the vibrant alleys and find the best vendors and deals. One of the newest additions to the country's list of malls is Place Vendome, Qatar. This mall excels with exquisite interiors and extravagant architecture. Do not miss the fountain show. We couldn't spare time further as we are already late for the flight. There are a lot of places we have not covered. There is Museum of Islamic Art, National Museum of Qatar, Museum of Illusions, Snow Dunes Theme Park, and the list continues. We hope you have enjoyed watching our video. See you in our next adventure. Until then, take care and thanks for watching.